Well, welcome back to Rendezvous Ranch. And you may remember me looking for my needle nose pliers. Remember that? Well, sad to say, I did find them, but they were in my back pocket the whole time. Now don't look at me like that, man. You've done that before. All right, our plan today, after I get this out of the way, we're going to start here. Take this pole out and replace it, and we're going to have our doorway right here. And it doesn't necessarily have to be this narrow. We're going to let my wife choose how big. All right.
Very good, so I fiddle when I can, work when I should. Thank God I'm a country boy. Well, I got me a fine wife, got me old fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy, yes sir.
Well, how do you feel about gas prices going up?
How do I feel about gas prices, huh?
Yep.
Well, I'll tell you what I thought. I figured if we would have voted for Donald Trump, we would have cheap gas. I think I even recall the man saying he'd do that on day one.
Starting on day one, we will end inflation and make America affordable again. To bring down the prices of all goods, we will stop the Biden-Harris war on American energy, and we will drill, baby, drill. Gonna bring them way down.
I don't know. I expect gas to go well over $4. It'd be just like when Biden was president.
Gas prices in the U.S. could reach a staggering $7 a gallon if the war drags on. The highest recorded national average was just over $5 in 2022.
Well, as you know, I'm a cashier, and everybody complains about the prices of everything going up.
Well, do you blame them? Everything has gone up.
It is the cart of shame, the grocery cart, nearly empty, but those few grocery items cost over $100.
I don't know what we're going to do if they go up any higher. They are very high now, along with the gas. It's tough for everybody.
That's why we're saving hinges and stuff like that. That one's going to be hard.
And what about the penny?
I think, well, you know what I think about that. I think they're going to go all digital.
We're working proactively to evaluate whether to issue a CBDC, and if so, in what form.
We're going to go all digital on us.
One guy asked me if I thought that he should turn in all his pennies.
What'd you say?
I said, no, don't turn your pennies in. If anything else, it should make you want to hold on to them.
I agree.
Because there won't be any more.
Nope. They've made the last one they're going to make. When the mint retires something, that's it. I know that that's messed up getting change.
Oh, yeah. The cash drawer is coming up short because of it. Because you add all them pennies up together all day long.
Yeah.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, that's true. That's the old lock. Piece of it anyway. Who knows where the other half went?
But so just with that alone, it's like our prices has went up because we're not getting the right amount of change back.
Well, I don't see how anybody thought that would be a good idea, you know. But who knows? Maybe our subscribers love not having regular pennies. Let us know.
Well, I guess as long as you use a debit card instead of cash, you don't lose any.
Yeah, they're not trying to nudge you one way, are they? Trying not to stand in front of the camera. This is one of them ones I bent when Dad wasn't watching. You see, I couldn't save that one because I tore it up 20 years ago. So here's another one I bent sideways.
What, in a hurry?
Oh yeah, how old was I? About the year 2000. So I was about 15. I'm sure you know what was on my mind at 15, right, men? And man, this board's really rotten. You can see the mold spores on it right here. Come here and look at this. Look at all that.
Yuck!
Let's see if I can zoom in on it.
It only took like 25 years.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of old boards do that before. Never really thought about it.
It's because it's not treated. Which Dad was paying for all this, so.
They're decking boards, ain't they?
These?
Mm-hmm.
No, these are landscaping timbers.
Oh, okay.
This is a decking board up here. Which we're going to take that off anyway, aren't we? Yep. Should probably take that off first.
Oh, it's going to be a problem.
Well, it's on top of the wire there.
I'd play Sally Gooden all day if I could, but the Lord and my wife wouldn't take it very good. So I fiddle when I can and I work when I should. Thank God I'm a country boy.
Trying not to break it. It's hard not to break it when it's so rotten.
How many years would you say it's been there?
About 25 years. We finished it up before 9/11 happened. That's how I remember.
Well, I got me a fine wife, got me an old fiddle. When the sun comes up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a funny, funny riddle. Thank God I'm a country boy.
I gotta stand on something. I'm short. You might want to stand over here to the side. I know people want to look at my back. Whoa.
Don't fall.
See, that's got us freed up there. I'm going to go ahead and just take this board all the way off.
Well, if you don't, you'll have to go back and do it.
seen a lot of sad people thinking that's a mighty key. The sun, let me tell you just exactly what I mean.
All right, we got the board off. We'll take it and put it with these other lovely boards.